Hello and welcome back to another video here on the Lil'X YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the CMF Watch 2 Pro. Now, this watch will be replacing, at least as of now, my Apple Watch, which I have actually sold since this has been such an amazing device. Now, let me go ahead and tell you guys more about it. It is just a basic smartwatch. This cannot run like full apps. This cannot, you don't have NFC, you don't have tap to pay, which it is a little bit of a downside. But for someone who always has their phone with them, I found it not really to be a feature that I missed. Plus, there's a lot of people that don't even know that you can tap to pay with your Apple Watch. So that feature is not really missed. The reason why this device is so amazing is that it does the basics, the fundamentals, which is provide you with notifications and information. And besides that, you have all of your, sports mode. You have over 120 modes like basketball, running, everything that you would need to track like your workout. This has it. And I know a lot of people use their Apple Watch for that exact reason. And this, this is not lacking in that department. It has a lot of watch faces, but as you can see here, you can select a couple. If you want to do like a classy actual watch face, you have a couple round ones. You have a vast selection of watch faces. As you can see here, this one, I kind of like this one. You can obviously answer phone calls. You can get text messages, but you cannot reply, which is also, a little bit of a downside. Now, we are recording this on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I did a video review not too long ago. And then for microphones, I just upgraded to this clip-on mics, the wireless. So let me know how it sounds. But going back to the watch, this watch has been amazing so far. You have a 1.32 if you want to get specific display with auto brightness. So you do have auto brightness. The screen gets relatively bright. You see here we have a torch function. And if you want to extend the battery life, we do have a power saving mode. Now, this is another reason why I really like this watch. I do not have to charge this watch daily before I go to sleep. I do not have to charge this watch daily like I used to have my Apple Watch do. Now, I know if you have the Ultra, you can put it in that super saving mode and you can go up to like 3 to 5 days with it. See, I'm at 53%. What's today? Thursday? I have not charged it since Monday. Today is Thursday. And I've used it, I wake up at 6 in the morning, put it on, go to work. You have your little crown here on the side. And as you can see here, the crown is interactive. You can scroll with it. You have all your exercises. It even has a blood oxygen sensor. You have your heart rate sensor, activity score, activity. It tracks your sleep. It tracks your sleep. Now, I haven't gone, as you can see, you have all the features. I'm not really going to go through all of them. Voice assistant, timers, calculator. You have a calculator on this thing. It's amazing. Flashlight, find my phone, which will just ring your phone. But one other thing. This watch, I got it for $45 on Prime. Well, not Prime, on Black Friday. I've seen it go down as low as like $30 on Amazon, which is completely insane. Now, once again, you can answer phone calls. And another feature that it has, if I believe they only have two, but you can swap out the bezel. So if you kind of like press on it and twist it, if I can get this going. There we go. You can swap out the bezels. As you can see, this is just a little metal bezel. I think it's metal. Oh yeah, it's metal for sure. But yeah, you can just swap it out. As you can see, you have like a little attachment mechanism. And then to put it on, just line it up with like the CMF branding here on the side down to around like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock position. Okay, so it is the 7 o'clock position. And then you just twist it. And you can like kind of feel it snap. But yes, this has been an awesome watch for the price. I cannot say enough good things about it. It has a GPS as well. GPS to track your workouts. This has it at this price point. Now, like I mentioned, this device is not for everybody. If you are tied into the Apple ecosystem, you like replying to messages on your watch and all that fancy, this watch is not for you. I can automatically already say it. This watch is not for you. This watch is for somebody who just wants to, for one, track time. You want to track time? This is perfect. But you also get, some smart features in there. Plus, since it doesn't run like a full operating system like watchOS and Wear OS, you have the benefits of having amazing battery life. Now, like I said, I've been having this ever since November. I've been using it pretty much almost every day. As you can see, it's held up pretty good. The band, it is like a leather type material. It's kind of starting to wear, but you can change it out with like, I think 22 millimeter watch bands, and I would say it's pretty comfortable. Now, one thing that I do dislike, I know I'm over here just talking good and positive things, which it is a good watch. As you can see, it turned on super fast. One thing that I do not like is the haptics. The haptics on this thing are horrible. That's why I keep them off. But I don't know if y'all can hear it. I'm gonna put it up to my mic. And you know what? Let me bring the mic down to it. As you can see, this is the mic that I'm using, or at least hopefully still using. Okay, so I had to, apparently my mic got disconnected, so if it sounds kind of weird, I apologize. This is the haptics. This sounds like, just in case the mic is not connected, let me bring it up to my phone. This sounds horrible whenever you are in a room with people and your watch buzzes and it sounds like that. Now, I've actually had it, at work where it'll go off and somebody looks at me like, what is that? Is it like an old, early 2000s Nokia phone? No, it's my watch. So that's why I just keep that feature turned off. You have a workout detection as well. And you even have gestures. I think if you flick your wrist, kind of like on the Android Wear watches, as you can see there. You have a guide, tells you how to do it. For costs and all that. Like I mentioned, I don't use a lot of features on this because I did not use half of the features that my Apple Watch had, and I paid like $300 for that thing. So this awesome alternative. It works with both iPhone and Android, which is I tend to review Android phones, iPhone. So if I ever have to swap out, I can just I'm sure I can easily swap this. I don't have to worry about getting a whole new watch for the new OS that I am trying out. But yeah, this has been just hopefully a quick video. I don't know how long it's going to end up being, talking about this watch. Now, if you are thinking about it, you've been looking at it, just know that this is a basic smartwatch. But if that's what you're looking for, that is perfect. This is perfect for somebody who wants to get their kids, maybe they're first, or they're like in middle school. You don't really trust them with an Apple Watch yet, but you want to get them something nice. This is pretty good. Definitely recommend it to family members. Let's say if you want somebody who wants a smartwatch, just wants for the features that they're gonna use it for. This is perfect. And then you can also put custom pictures on here. You have your widgets, as you can see here, that you can scroll through, your blood oxygen, like I mentioned, make phone calls and everything. Just right there how to do it. But like I mentioned, if you're thinking about it, I would 100% recommend this watch. If you have it, let me know if you like it in the comments down below. If you wanna, if you want me to discuss more features about it, please do leave your questions in the comments. Like I mentioned, I've been using it for a little while, so kind of got a good glimpse of the good and the bad. And if you want to, please consider subscribing. We're trying to get to 500, if not more. Hopefully, this is a year that we get to maybe 1,000. But if you want to, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.